We've been using the 3D printer in an educational sense. We sort of connect it with our reading. So we'll read like different books and then we'll try to use the printer to sort of give an in real depth to our understanding of the story. So last year we read The Crucible, which was about people in like
Salem witch trials.
And they were trying to deter out who was a witch and who wasn't. And we sort of used, like, for example, we had some like little dolls they use in the movie, sort of like puppets. It was like a voodoo doll, yes. And there were other ones like a Bible and a cross. We used a noose to represent like them hanging the people that they thought were witches. We're basically using it to sort of give a real sense of like a symbolism part of the story. I feel like it definitely makes the class more engaging, having a technological sense applied to English.